Here we are at the new place. It is, the address is 3 Glenford Road. We aren't open here yet, so don't bother coming down and trying to buy something because we're still working from a Newton Arts branch. So anything you need to know, just lift the phone and give us a call or fill in one of our request forms on Used Cars NI or on our website if you need to get in contact with us. So I'm going to give you a quick walk around. We have moved some cars over here today. We're meant to be out of our other place this week, but as I said earlier, we've asked for a week extension. We haven't been told no, so we're just going to run with it. So first of all, we're wrapped Audi Q3 S-Line. Like, how cool is that? It's wrapped like a greeny blue colour and all the black line styling on it. Really nice car. At some point we might put a set of wheels in that, optional. Second up, we have the wee Hyundai Tucson. Really popular diesel. They come with a brilliant warranty from the factory, so it gives people a bit of confidence in the brand. Honda CR-V. Anybody knows anything with these, that's the 1600 SR version. They are bulletproof. And being the SR, it's got reverse camera, half leather seats, DAB radio, sat nav, all that as well. Don't know if I've ever showed you a sweet car before. This is a 1986 MR2 Mark 1. It is quite dirty at the minute because it's been lying in our other yard. So Chris and I bought this between us as a bit of a project, and then I got out of hand. So full respray, put fiberglass wings in the front because they rust so badly. So that's the wee car. It is up for sale. We'll get it cleaned up and stuff, get it re-MOT'd shortly. RCZ, this is a petrol version. They're a brilliant wee car. I mean, for that sort of money, look at what you're getting. You're getting something that looks really sporty. Next up, we X3, we manual, 2-litre diesel M Sport, all-wheel drive, X-Drive as well, which is quite nice. Brilliant price point as well, 7,995. So that's a few cars we've brought across. We will be bringing more over. They'll pretty much all be here by the end of next week. We'll move some stuff over to the Bangor branch, the Ards branch as well. In the future, all our sort of SUVs and sort of smaller Jeeps will all be sitting along here. So the idea is all the light grey here is getting painted black. Everywhere you see red is getting painted like a turquoisey colour, or Elite Autos colour. The bottom of the wall is going dark grey, and all the canopies above the shutters are the same. Door will go dark grey as well. I'll take you inside and let you have a look at sort of where we are now. Okay, so this is inside. Now, we did do a bit of a video of this before, but there's a load of stock and things in it, so there's a lot of rubbish here. It's just been left, which we'll just dump in the skip. So pretty much we'll just be starting with a complete bare shell here as such. Used to be a tile showroom, so it's all beautiful tiles, but they're all different types, which we tried to incorporate to something, but we just couldn't get it to work. This is going to be an office, so the stud wall going in through here. Doorway, window, that sort of thing. Decoration wise, we haven't really decided. Here is going to be our merch shop. Yes, we're doing a merch shop. You've heard it here first. We're going to do limited t-shirts, limited hats. Pretty much if you can put Elite Autos on it, we'll make it. So that'll be going in the corner here. These are just some parts we brought over from the other branch. Over here, there's getting a hole cut in here. And the reason we're doing that is so we can drive cars into the front. So we'll probably have like the Buick, the NSX, maybe the wee City Go or something in here. Just to really give, when you walk through that front door, you've got that real nice feeling. We've been in talks with Strom Wheels, CM Wheels, in regards of supplying those, so we will be doing that at a point. Don't message us yet about it. As soon as we're going to do it, we'll launch it on our website and we'll launch it on Facebook and things like that. But that is something that will be happening because we've had a load of people asking about them. And Chris there is a great guy to deal with. So next up, we're going to put the race floor in, which again, supplied by Tough Tile. So that will be all race floor, be our colours, black, grey, and our mint green ceiling. Probably going to do it quite dark. We're going to go with the Tough Tile lighting as well. So we have a few different ideas just to change that up a bit. Over here, we'll have, not sure it's going to go in that corner or here, but we're going to have a projector screen, just playing our YouTube stuff and just flicks of cars that we have and things like that. So that's pretty much the idea for that. We're going to do some detailing products as talked about before. We have a couple of good sources there for that, so that'll just be scattered around the place. And we're going to do like all the replica wheels, so BMW, Mercedes, we'll do Quantum 44s and all that as well. So we'll have, probably keep 15, 20 in set, but we can get everything next day for you. So that gives you an idea of that. We've some really cool ideas for, don't want to give too much away, but as in for the way we're going to decorate in here, really cool ideas, but we just don't want to surprise you. I want to keep you guessing, so we do, because as I say, all the people, all our followers want to see, but all the other nosy car dealers want to see too, so we'll keep you all entertained. So through here, you're going to notice a massive difference from the last time you were here. As you can see, these beams are all white and being painted gloss black at the minute. That is a handling of a job. Like, I mean a complete handling. The back, everything in here was grey as can be, so all the walls have been done black. As you can see, all the pillars from sort of the joins down are all going our company logo colour, so the mint green as I call it. So in terms of that, that will be that. Floor will all be pointed at some point, but just not at the minute because we're so tight for time moving from our Bangor branch. Up in here behind, we're doing a themed wall. We're not going to tell you what we're doing, but we're doing something really cool. Even you don't know yet. So yeah, we're doing a themed wall up here, and you're going to love what we're doing with that. Say, the cutout's going to be there. Roller shutter door behind you is getting moved to here so we can get in and out, and then suppose a shutter again to keep the heat in there. So just a quick walk around, you can sort of really see now the space that we have now that everything's out. Like it's massive. We had the MR2 in the wee city go in the corner and they look like remote control cars from that side. Just loads and loads of space. Roller shutter door going in the back, partitioned in here for our mechanic to work on, 2 double ramps. If it gets to the point where we feel like we need more in there space, we'll put a prefab out the back for him because we've got all that room outside. I'll just walk you out the back here as well because it's changed quite a bit since the last time. So as you can see, I'll walk down here. There's a couple of our company vehicles. This has all been flattened now and all level with stone. Now the reason this bit over here hasn't been done is because this is getting concreted. So there's a wash bay getting put in here with a proper drainage system, so the ground's all getting dug up. It's quite a big cost, but we don't want to soak the place with water, so it's one of those things we'll have to do. So the roller shutter door going in the back here and one in here. This section over here is going to be as what we would call a detailing bay. This probably in the long term will turn into a sales yard as well, so we'll do some nice steps and things out the back, and customers will be able to come here as well. So as the business grows, we probably have room for on site. I would say easily 100 cars without any major issues at all, and that would be them reasonably well spaced out between here, inside and out the front. I would say that would be easily, and maybe 4 or 5 customers parking spaces and our staff cars as well. So as you can see Chris here in his PPE. Health and safety is very important here. In here, this is the development bay we showed you before. So again, this is just letting you see sort of the size. So sockets all getting put in here, lights all down the side of the wall, just to brighten it up a bit. And obviously whenever we do the roller shutter, we're going to have natural light coming in as well. Down the back here, we'll put a door in, just sort of like a door like the size of your house, just really for health and safety and a fire escape. So that'll be getting in here shortly as well. This wall here, which I'm probably better showing you from the other side, but I'll wait till I turn this off. So loud, that thing. It only revs flat out, you see. So these beams are taking sort of 3 or 4 hours to do with 2 people on it because you're moving back and forward and you're painting, so it's a lot of work on that. The walls will have sprayed, the back walls will be sprayed as well. So just behind you there, actually we'll turn around. So this is going into the development bay, but our idea always was that once they're cleaned, they'll get drove straight in here. So what we're doing is we're going to extend this wall till about here and probably till about here. And then that'll allow the cars, so when they're cleaned, they can just come in here, and we'll put another, don't know if we'll do a sliding door or roller shutter, whatever we do. Say we're moving that roller shutter over to there. So yeah, that's pretty much the idea. So everything's all kept in one. Our mechanics area is probably going to come roughly about here across and go level with the door here at the back. So we'll have 2 two-poster ramps, all his workbenches and stuff like that. Tire machines and all will probably just keep in the back end. So yeah, that should give you an idea of what we're doing, and it's just to keep you up to date. It's probably not a massive change. I think personally we'll see a massive change in the next 2 weeks, but you'll see a massive change since the last time you've seen it. So we'll update it every week, just even if it's a wee snippet, even 5 minutes or whatever, just to let you see what we're doing, because we want to keep you on board. If you have any ideas, let us know. Pretty much like, share, subscribe, all the usual stuff. Keep an eye out. We still will be advertising. We're just not as active as always, but we still will be posting cars if and when. And obviously, we're still doing viewings, but it will be viewing by appointment. So just give us a shout.
Where are you going? Mitchie, you haven't been in a video yet.
No, I don't want to go in the video. Videos are not for me, thank you.